Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ms Qoaka and today we are looking at the direct and the indirect object in a sentence. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button so that you don't miss out on any other videos. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so as I said, today we are looking at the direct and indirect object. If you don't know what an object is, check out this video to see the components of a sentence. You will find that you will have a predicate, and inside the predicate you have things such as the verb and the object. And today we are looking at that in particular. Okay, so as I said, we have two types of objects. We have the direct object and the indirect object. Now, I'm sure you are wondering, what is the difference between these two things? They sound like the same thing, but they actually perform different functions. Okay, so the direct object it answers the question of what or whom is on the receiving end of the action, and that action is the verb. Let's look at the indirect object. The indirect object is to whom, what, or for whom or what is receiving the direct object. Let's look at two examples to put this theory into practice. So, first example, I loaned Naledi some money. Now, to find the direct and the indirect objects, we need to look at the verb first. So, what is the verb in the sentence? The action here is loaned, the giving. Ne? Let's find the direct object. What was loaned? Ne? What is the thing that's being loaned? Money is the thing that is being loaned, and therefore it is the direct object because it is on the receiving end of the verb. And then the indirect object is Naledi because she is the one receiving the direct object, which is the money. In the sentence, I is the subject. It is not the direct object. It is not the indirect object. So please don't get this confused. Example number 2. Lisego bought Thabo delicious donuts. Now let's find the direct and the indirect object. Do you know what to do first? Let's see what we must do first. In the sentence, bought is the verb. Ne? So, when we are finding these objects, we must look at the verb first. And the verb here is bought. Let's find the direct object. What was the thing that was bought? You have it, delicious donuts. And now, who was receiving the delicious donuts? Is it Naledi or is it Thabo? Thabo is the indirect object because he is the one who receives the delicious donuts, which are the direct object. So it is not Naledi because Naledi is the one who bought it. Therefore, Naledi is our subject. Okay, I hope that helps you in understanding what a direct and indirect object are. And keep in mind, in sentences you won't always find that there is both the direct and the indirect object. Okay, so I'll make a quick example without using the slides. I wrote to the mayor. Now, what did I write to the mayor? Yes, there is a verb there. It is wrote, right? But what did I write? It could be an email, it could be a letter, it could be... The list is endless, okay? But that thing is missing, and therefore the sentence that I just made an example of does not have a direct object. Okay, stay tuned for more English content. Don't forget to subscribe in the meantime. See you next time. Bye!